Hello guys, my name is Denis Lara and welcome to my channel Denis Lara Art. As you know, I keep on making new art videos and with various art ideas. In today's topic, we are going to customize something. And what is it? It is this, Nike shoes. In this video, I am going to show you step-by-step method what I am doing and how this is going to be customized. So if you want to customize your shoes or get some ideas for how it's to be done, you have to watch the whole video. Watch till the end, you will get a proper idea on how it is to be done.
This is the place now we have done. We have done with the logos, both Nike's logo. Now it's the drawing part. I'm thinking to make a dragon. So first thing first, I'll have to draw it. It's very difficult to draw in this surface because it's like a leather material. But yeah, I will still try. And mostly towards the left side of the left foot and right side of the right foot.
So finally, one shoe is done. I am going to repeat the same design for the second shoe. So I will see you once the whole thing is done in the reveal.